Hello friends, just a quick video for you to help you out with something that I know I was curious about when I bought my Sienna. And we're sitting in my 2008 Toyota Sienna Limited. This limited model, as you can see by, come on focus, as you can see by this, has the adaptive radar cruise, which really doesn't work that well. And one of the problems that I have often is that I'll end up with an error. So being able to switch this from like radar cruise to regular cruise is definitely important. Now you can see right here it says mode if I push that way, right? And then cancel is this way. Set, resume, and then on off is right here. So all you do, like before you set off, and I think you can do this on the fly, but you're really better off doing this ahead of time. Hit the on off button and you'll see it says ready. And then rather quickly push this forward until it switches to normal. I'll push it again. Now it says ready, and you can see the little radar thing. We'll push it again. Now it says normal. So if you put it in normal mode, it's just going to be normal cruise control, just like any car. And frankly, on these older ones, I kind of recommend this. Now, I'd really like to figure out a way to make this the default, but I don't know how to do that without getting some sort of like dealer level scan tool. So anyway, hope that helps. Happy motoring. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.